Hello, this Excel video tip today is going to be on the find function. The find function is a text function that returns the position of a supplied character or text string from within a cell or somewhere where you're looking. Um, and to help us illustrate that, I've got some data on here where in column C I've got just a name and last name, comma, first name format. I've got the len here. I'm leaving that in there for now because I'm kind of building on a process here that'll give us a practical application. So for right now, you can just ignore column D. But to help us illustrate the find function, we're going to use column E here. And what we basically want to know is, in this example, we want to know what position this comma is in, because that's what's separating the last name from the first name. So I want to know how far from the left that is. So to help us do that, we just type in equals find and open my parentheses, and you'll see it says find text, within text, and start number. So the first thing we want to do is type in what we're looking for. That's what we want it to find. So I want it the comma, so I have to do a double quote for text, and then the comma, and then another double quote. So that's telling me, I'm telling Excel I want to look for the comma. And then I put a comma here to separate things within my formula here. So now it's saying within text. So where do you want to look for this? So I'm just going to click on cell C2. And the start number would be for if some reason I want to start 5 characters over every time, but I just want to start at the beginning so I can ignore that. You'll see it has brackets around it, so we know that that's one that can be ignored. So I'm just going to simply close my parentheses. And you'll see that it returns a 6. So what that tells me is that the comma is the 6th character from the beginning. So J would be 1, O would be 2, N would be 3, E would be 4, S would be 5, and the comma would be 6. Now if I drag that down, you'll see that it calculates it for each one. So for this example, in Ava Lane, the comma is in the 5th position. And it's important to note that the find function is case sensitive. And so if you're looking for a letter, the find function is case sensitive. There is also another function called the search function, which works exactly the same as find, except for it's non-case sensitive. So find will look for, if you're looking at an example, a capital J or a small j. A search would just look for a J. In this example, we're looking for a comma, and it returns what position within that cell it found what that text we're looking for. That's the find function. And that's today's Excel video tip. Thanks. Have a great day.